Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the braces filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, and in trending section just slide up until you see this image. Remember this image, this is the filter. Okay, as you can see I got the braces. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and search for braces. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon, just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see try this effect. Tap there to use the effect. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.